Welcome to another vehicle overview at Northwest Edmonton Toyota. Today we're looking at the new Toyota's GR Supra 3.0 rear-wheel drive two-door sports car. The front grille is flanked by large air intakes, as well as you get 6 lens LED headlights, as well as you have your double bubble roof, which reduces aerodynamic drag. The super sleek design comes equipped with black accents on your mirrors as well as the sides. You have 19-inch frozen gunmetal wheels, as well as rain-sensing wipers. Underneath the hood, you have a 3.0-liter, 24-valve, inline-6 twin-scroll turbo engine. That's going to get you 382 horsepower, as well as 365 pounds-feet of torque. You also have active rear sport differential, as well as adaptive variable suspension and 4-piston Brembo brakes. The Supra is an 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters as well as launch control. Let's take a look inside of our Supra now with our key fob that has a trunk lock and unlock button. First thing you're going to notice right inside your doors is that you have your power locks, as well as you have your power windows. This is going to open and close your mirrors, as well as have your adjustable settings for the left and right mirrors. Right next to our steering wheel, we're going to have our automatic high beam settings, as well as you have your brightness settings. Down here next to the seat, you have your power adjustable seat settings, as well as you have your memory seat settings. And the Supra comes equipped with beautiful black leather racing style seats. Here's a last look at our new Toyota GR Supra 3.0 that comes with a 3.0-liter inline-6 twin-scroll turbo engine, a beautiful sleek exterior in this nice blue color, as well as lots of tech on the inside to get you where you need to go. Come down to Northwest Edmonton Toyota to take the Supra for a test drive and find out more.